Hi guys, I'm Shivam Deshpande. So this is my third task in data science and business analytics internship at the Sparks Foundation. The third task is the exploratory data analysis detail. So I have to perform the exploratory data analysis on the dataset sample superstore. Yeah, this is the dataset I've provided with sample superstore. So this is the dataset of the superstores in different states, different cities, in across different regions in the United States country. As you can see, the dataset provides many columns like ship mode segment, the country that is United States, different cities, different states, different regions. Okay, and then the category and subcategory in which sales have been made, and then the discount and profit earned. Okay, so this is the overall data set I've been given. Now let's look at the problem statement. So as a business manager, try to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit, and what all business problems you can derive by exploring the data. Okay, so for this I've used Tableau. So this is the Tableau. As you all know, the Tableau is the visualization tool that I've used here. Okay, so you can view the data set here as well. In Tableau, there is an inbuilt data interpreter. So I've used this data interpreter to clean my data, to remove unwanted entries in the data set, and this data has been cleaned now. Okay, so this is my dashboard that have been created. There are four sheets you can see over here from which the dashboard has been made. So we'll look at individual sheet. Yeah, so this is the state profit. Now here you can see the different states uh, with different states and across different regions. So the color marks have been used here, depicting different regions: central, east, south, and west, having different colors. And according to the profit, these bubbles are of increasing size. Okay, so where the bubbles are of greater size, the profit is more. Fine. Now you can see we can see that in the east region, in the New York state, the profit is large. Then we can see also in California it is greater. Okay, the California, you can see that the profit is higher. The the highest profit is in California. Then there are also some states which haven't performed well, like in the east region, Ohio, in the central region, Illinois, and many more states haven't performed well. So in this region, Pennsylvania also. So at this states, we have to increase our profit. We have to increase our sales. So we have to look at this. Then the second visualization, the second tool is sales and profit. Right. So this is the this is the chart you can see uh, that contains different states, and this is profit versus sales. So on the x-axis there's sales, and on the y-axis there's profit. Okay, uh, the different states have been given, the color scheme is used in different states, the filter have been used, the region, right. Now you can see here that again the New York and California is performing very well. Their sales are higher and their profit is also very large. The countries like Texas, then Pennsylvania, Ohio, their profit is in negative numbers, and their sales are still higher. So we have to look at this problem. We have to reduce the sales here, or we have to increase the profit here. Now these countries are performing good, not exceptionally well like these countries. So Georgia, Michigan, Washington, and these are the top in sales as well as profits. These are performing relatively good than these countries. Okay, and we have to look at these countries, the profit and sales in these countries. Okay, now here the region filter have been used. This is for all the regions. If we have to look at only the central region here, so only central region if we have to look, then these are not performing very well, like Illinois and Texas. We have to look at this cities, these states. Then again, these are performing relatively good. Again, Michigan is performing very well in the central region. So like this, we can use filters across different regions. So East, so in East, the New York is at the top, and we have to increase the performance of these states. These are performing relatively good. In the South, the top states are Virginia and Georgia. Okay, these are performing good, and still we have to look at these countries like Florida. Okay, and again in the West, so different filters can be used here. So California is performing at the top. Washington is also performing very good. Okay, Colorado, we have to look at the state, the sales and profit at the state. Okay, fine. The third sheet is the category sales. So here the sales have been depicted by different categories. Okay, so different category of products. So furniture, office supplies, and technology, and these are all the subcategories that you can see. The filters have been used in the states. So this is for all the states, and the profits are used as the marks or color. So you can see the range here of profits. So darker blue shades, the darker blue colors have been are telling the profit is higher. So like these categories, technology and subcategory copiers, the profit can be seen very high. The sales are relatively good. These are the sales in the category of furniture and chairs, and even technology phones. The sales are very large. The profit is good, but the profit is higher in this category, that is copiers, technology, and the sales are very low, the less in fasteners, no, in the category of office suppliers. Profit is also not very good, but the sales are very low, or you can say the lowest. So we have to increase the sales in fasteners and office supplies. Then art, we have to increase the sales in this category. Okay, so okay, now the fourth is the segment versus sales. So across different segments, the sales have been given. Again, the profit you can see over here. The color mark is used for the profit, and the blue shades you can see. The darker blue shades are giving us the higher profits, and the segments have been given here. And on the y-axis there are sales. So as you can see here, in the consumer segment, the profit is also very high. The sales are highest. The sales are as a quantity you can see, and the profit is also very large. In the corporate region, in the corporate segment, the sales and profits are relatively good. We have to increase the profit and sales in the home office region, in home office segment. Okay, so from these four sheets I've made this dashboard. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this task. Thank you guys.